Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, first of all, I just want to apologise that I haven't been around for almost a week now. I've missed 2 uploads and I'm absolutely gutted that I've done that because I was on a roll and I really was getting the schedule on time and everything like that. But you know what? Life kind of happened. Obviously, the kids have gone back to school full time. Last week was the full week that they had. It was my nephew's christening on Sunday, so I've been helping my sister sort all that out. I had a really crap week when it came to my fitness. I was really struggling, so I took a couple of days off and I just wasn't in the right frame of mind to record and give you guys the content that you guys deserve. So I thought today's video will be kind of a good one to start off the week nice and fresh again and get back into the routine of it. And also, don't forget, I am filming every single day in Vlogtober, so we've got Vlogtober coming, so I hope you guys stick around. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being here and supporting me and for hanging around, wondering where I am. I'm so grateful. If you're new, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And let's get into the video, honestly. But before we do, can I just say, like, Birmingham is now on stricter rules where we can't see family, can't go to family houses, we can't go to friends' houses, we can only meet them out in restaurants and public places, obviously to a minimum of 6, which is really frustrating because we're a family of 5 and kids are included in that as well, whereas in other areas kids aren't included. So I'm gutted because now I can't get to spend as much time with my sisters and the kids and my parents, so it's just trying to get my mind around all that as well. So today's video is definitely going to help a lot of people, I think, by keeping positive and just keeping, you know, just trying to stay as positive as we can and see what the hell is going to happen. You know, it's September, the sun's shining, we couldn't have asked for anything more. But yeah, so anyway, that's where I've been. I've just literally been all over the place just trying to find my feet again. But I'm gutted because I feel like I've let myself down and I've let you guys down as well for not sharing. I've missed 2 uploads and I'm hoping that isn't going to happen again. So I'm going to bulk record so I know that I am in front and you guys are going to get the content that you deserve. So let's get into today's video. Like I said, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, grab a cuppa, grab whatever drink you like, you enjoy, and sit down because I think this one's going to be one that we all need. Okay, so today we are going to unbox the positivity package. So this was, I ordered this at the end of August, so this is actually August's box, but then September's has arrived. It's quite heavy, so we're going to unbox both of them. Look, they haven't even been opened, so yeah, they've been sat here for a few weeks. I feel like there's someone there and there's nobody in. Okay, so let's get into this August box and let's just check out what we have. Nice, very slim little box. Okay, so here we have the box, and inside is a little card. The Positivity package is a lovely box filled with a whole lot of happy. Each delivery of the positivity package is designed to make you or a friend feel loved, upbeat and motivated. It's definitely something that we all need at the minute. It is a perfect pick-me-up gift to treat yourself, to let someone know who you care, or to let someone know you care. You can include a handwritten note for that extra special touch. Sometimes we all need a little extra positivity, and the way things are going at the minute, we certainly do. What's inside your August positivity pack? And then it's got a list of everything that's included and where you can grab it from. So it's got all of the Instagram handles of each supplier in here. So you've got a lovely little pink thing. Okay, what do we have here? So we have a word search, and it's an affirmation word search, and it's from @sprinkle.club, and it's just loads of different enough, love, courage. So that's something nice. I do love a word search. I'm actually quite good at them, so yeah, I might sit and do that because I need this pick me up this week, definitely. Oh, the kids are gonna love these. So we've got loads of little sticks of sherbet, which they are gonna love because I can't eat all these at the minute. Then we have a I Am Strong affirmation magnet, and this is from Happy Gentle Designs. That's really cute, so that is definitely something that's going to go on the fridge. This is a little gift from me to you, a reminder that you're loved. What is that? Is it a ring? Oh, it's a heart ring. Oh, how cute is that? So it's just a tiny little heart ring there. Let's put it on. There it is there. That's lovely, that is. Put it on this finger actually. I like to put it on that finger there. Okay, so that is from L Wills SX. Then we have a moisturizing face mask, and it says repeat after me, I am enough. A watermelon overnight gel mask to make you glow girl inside and out. And this is from I am Mallow's Beauty. That's so cute. It's made in the UK, so it's a UK brand, British brand. That is really, really cute. I'm gonna give that a try. Then we have a I am sweet. Oh, it's a biscuit. Oops. Didn't know that was in there. And this is a freshly baked biscuit, and it's from Biscuits and Bites by Betty. How cute is that? Oh, if only I could have had that on Sunday on my off day. Anyway, I might have it with my coffee later or just give it to the kids. Oh, this is so cool. This is going on the desk. So this is thank God I'm fabulous. So thank God I am fabulous. That's so cute. That can go on the desk right there, so it can remind me every single day that I'm fabulous, which we all are in our own little way. Okay, then we have write your monthly affirmations. We've got loads of little things that just to really make us get positive and really think about what we want. And then there's a self-care video by Fiona Drake. For our August positivity package, we have collaborated with Fiona Drake to provide you with a self-love talk. She's an international speaker, mindset and manifestation coach, and a cheerleader for female business owners and entrepreneurs. Fiona is also a Heal Your Life teacher in the philosophies of Louise Hay and a certified law of attraction coach. And then you've got a scan there where you can scan me and check out the video. And then there's a lovely reminder of I am strong, I am beautiful, I know my worth, I can do anything, I choose to be positive. That's just nice to put in a frame, isn't it? And have that up in the office. I can't wait to do my beauty room when we move home, which shouldn't be long. And also that's another thing that's been stressing me out. It's just getting delayed. Honestly, this COVID has really just caused so much havoc and crap and just constant delays, and it's just like really frustrating. So we've even just were hoping that this week we should know more about the house. Okay, so that was August, and then this is September. So this is quite heavy. So let's see if I can not rip this box because I want to take a nice photo. I actually like that ring, it's quite cute. Okay, so I've got the same little quote thing there just to remind you, and then it's got exactly in here, keep smiling, you've got this. So don't needed that today. So here is the package and all unboxed. And then let's see what we've got in here. Oh wow. Okay, oh wow. Got some more biscuits. So these are from Biscuits and Bites Betty. So this one's a goal getter. Lovely. All the kids are 3, thank God, so the kids can share these. And then this is a white chocolate raspberry lolly. Oh my God. So we've got that one, and then they can have that as well. And this chocolate lolly is from Tilly_Wonka. Tilly Wonka. And then here we've got an Every Cloud candle. So this is a soy wax melt. Oh wow. That smells nice. So this is called Sleep wax melts from Every Cloud Candles. Thank you very much. I'm gonna try that tonight. Just need anything just to relax and chill. Then we've got a 3 chamomile tea, a soothing floral fusion of African, Egyptian and European chamomile. So that's that. Then we have a Dreamcatcher. How gorgeous is this? That's really, really cute. Bought Penny a beautiful one from Cyprus a few years ago, and she's still got it in her room. It's pink and it's just got butterflies and beautiful, but this is really cute, so thank you very much. And this is from Dreamcatcher. I think it's from the Positivity, and it says how do dreams catchers work? The traditional dream catcher was intended to protect the sleeping individual from negative dreams while letting positive dreams through. Where to hang a catcher? Almost all dreams catchers are hung right above the bed in such a way that the sunlight falls directly at it. So yeah, when I move into the new house I can put it on top of my bed. That's really cute. Then we've got a little key ring that says dream big. Oh wow. And then we have a lovely little diary, so goals and visions. Oh, I might use this for my new little adventure. So it's like a notebook, lined paper notebook, gorgeous colour. And then you've got a pink pencil and it says girl power, which I love that, so thank you. I do love my stationery. That is really cool. And you guys are gonna stick around for October because I've got some really good videos coming and I know you guys are gonna love it. So then we've got another 5 things I am grateful for, and then we have a vision board. Create a vision board. Creating a vision board can provide you with a daily visual reminder of your dreams and goals. To help you create a vision board, we have created a how-to video with Jessica Leeming. Simply scan the QR code below when you're ready to watch. So then that's going to give you how to create a vision board. I love creating vision boards and I'm going to do one for the 2021. And then we've got another quote, gratitude helps us to see what is there instead of what isn't. So these are really nice so that you start framing. I might start framing them and adding them into my office. And then I like the fact that they've got something that you can actually learn from. So we've got, this is the vision board, and we've got the self-love talk one there. So they're really nice that they get these kind of, you know, women involved. It's just, it is all about positivity and really helping you. This is definitely what I needed. It's just a shame I can't eat the biscuits, but the kids can have them. So yeah, so that's it. That is what's included. I really like this, goals and visions. I'm definitely going to be using that. That is what's in the positivity package for September, so thank you very much for that. And I'll leave the website down below so you guys can go and check it out. And if you want a bit of positivity to be sent through your door every month, then I would give it a go. And I think it's, is it £18? I think it's £18 to subscribe to this. I'm not quite sure. I'll leave all the details down below so you can check it out. But yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't. And I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.